everyone, welcome back to my channel. So good news and bad news here about the next round of stimulus payments. It's not great news, but it's just definitely news. So I'm gonna keep this simple and here we go, let's hop into it. Let me just say first, this feels very stingy. This new Republican plan is barely a help to the people. It seems honestly more like another business bailout dressed up with a big distraction called stimulus checks to hide the business bailouts from us. Nancy Pelosi says the Republicans' plan sounds like they aren't even starting a serious negotiation. Anyway, here we go. Republicans yesterday introduced the HEALS Act. Number one, the $1,200 stimulus checks are officially in this bill. If you owe child support, you're in prison, or you're dead, you might not qualify. If you got the checks last time, you'll get it again. If you make less than $75,000 as an individual or $150,000 as a couple, you'll get the full amount. Otherwise, it'll go down by about $5 per every $1,000 you make more. If you just had a baby in 2020, congrats by the way, claim them next year when you file your taxes to get the $500 for your child dependent. Speaking of children, all dependents now get the $500 no matter what their age is. This includes adult dependents as well. SSI, Social Security, VA, and Railroad retirement will be eligible like last time. The checks probably will arrive late August or early September, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And for unemployment, they're doing some crazy magic that honestly I don't think is going to survive the Democrats. They're trying to do $200 per week from August 1st through September 30th. Then they want to scale the unemployment based on 70% of what you previously made. This is some fancy math. Then honestly, I think Democrats are going to negotiate this and make this a lot more simple. It's really complicated and annoying at this point, in my opinion. Regarding the evictions, no evidence that the eviction ban is in any proposal right now, but we verbally hear it's coming. Also, no evidence of any working capital loans, even though we heard those might come. No back to work boost either. Instead, businesses are getting a ton more bailouts. This is no surprise. That's all they seem to care about. If businesses have a 50% revenue decline from last year, they get another PPP loan if they want. If businesses' revenue is down 25%, they get much bigger employee retention credits, up to around $19,500 in credits for the boss, not the employees. Also, if employers bring people back to work off unemployment, they also get credits now. Again, for businesses are getting refundable tax credits for PPE expenses per employee, including self-employed people. So if you're self-employed and you bought masks or sanitizers or other PPE equipment, keep your receipts. Students are getting the option to either pay off their federal student loans over 10 years, or they can pay 10% of their income above about $19,400. After 20 years of payments for undergraduate loans, the loan is forgiven, and after 25 years of payments for graduate loans, the loan is forgiven as well. And that is my brief summary of the stimulus update for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.